Hello, everybody. I, on behalf of Zorba Books, welcomes you to our revamped Poet and Author Spotlight. This platform that we have developed for you is revolutionary and it's free. You're a passionate writer, you're a closet writer, you're thinking of writing, go ahead, jump right in. Not only can you write, you can edit, view, share, you can get others to comment, and you can publish your blog for the world to see. Later on, we will also add facility for you to be able to publish your blogs as a book. Hop right in, and in this video, I will guide you on how to use the Poet and Author Spotlight platform. Go to the Zorba Books website, type in www.zorbabooks.com, go to the Publishing tab and scroll down to Poet and Author Spotlight. A page opens up. Click on the Start Now button. On the login page, you have two options, login and register. If you have not already registered, please register now. Click on the button, fill in all your details in the form, click on I am not a robot and register now. Once registered, you can now log in. A dashboard will open up. If you have already posted some blogs, they will show up before you. If not, it will be a blank page where you can start adding new post. Go to this button, add new post, click, choose a genre for your post, whether it is poetry, whether it is short story, whether it is an article. So whatever the genre of your post, choose the language, Hindi or English, and start writing. First your post title, or you can straight away go and start writing your blog. If you need to stop in the middle, you can save it as a draft. If you complete the whole blog in one sitting, you can publish the same. Once you've published the blog, you will be able to see the blog on the main page. If your blog trends, does very well, then it will show up as trending. How can I make my blog trend? You can share the link, you can ask people to comment on it. You have social media, WhatsApp, go ahead and share it and encourage your friends also to share your blog. Thank you and best wishes for all uh, for your journey on Poet and Author Spotlight. Thank you very much.